While most economies run on revenue collected through taxes to provide services to the populations, criminal networks and individuals have developed systems through which to evade paying the due tax or remitting the taxes once collected. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development International Academy for Tax Crime Investigation is warning that criminal networks are moving money across capitals, hence the need for synergy in developing systems to end the vice.
It's issues in Europe, it's issues in North America. I know recently I just saw some news releases in the United States that they're starting to look at this also, the electronic sales suppression. I see prosecutions are happening.
We have had what we call abuse of exemptions, where people abuse the exemption granted by government. Is that when you are given an exemption for one project, then you abuse that exemption by procuring for other projects that do not qualify for that exemption.
The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development is training criminal tax investigators drawn from Kenya and 11 other African countries on detection and formulation of systems to curb tax crimes, including misinvoicing, in a bid to evade paying custom duty, value-added tax, or income tax.
That this problem of missing trader, where people just manufacture invoices to claim VAT for supplies that have not been done, VAT fraud through manipulation of exports. We call it export fraud. Traders would want us to believe that they have exported when they have not done so. And they use those fake exports then to come and claim what you call a lot of VAT.
We're also very happy to address the sales suppression. There are techniques, audit techniques, that you can use to detect that type of fraud, and we're certainly happy to discuss those with them. We have publications on it, but certain techniques we don't put into the public eye, because as we reveal what those techniques are, of course, then the criminals will also find ways to work around those.
According to the African Union's Advisory Board on Corruption, Africa loses over $50 billion through illicit financial flows through engagement in fraudulent schemes to avoid paying tax. Judith Akolo, Channel 1 Business.